guys, welcome back to Shelly Told Me, and today we're just going to be doing some kale. Alright, so I have some kale that's been cut up and cleaned. I'm just going to put it into my pan. Here guys, I hope everyone's out there is having a wonderful day. I want to take this time out to welcome all new subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're just here for the first time and watching me put kale greens all over the place, y'all guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like, share. Yeah. Hit me up. Alright, so now I'm finished playing it. And everyone else, I love you guys. Thank you so much. And now let's just get these in here. So I'm going to get these kale in here. A pan of kale. Don't want to drop my bling in there. Now we just want to put some ham in here. You can put some smoked meat in here if you want. If you put smoked meat, excuse me, I'm sorry. If you put smoked meat in here, I suggest that you cook that first in your water or whatever. But you don't want to cook that with the smoked meat. You want to cook down the smoked meat first. I have some carrots here. Dump them right in there. And dump this ham in there. I have some garlic onion blend spice. We're going to get that in there. And we're going to put an onion in here too. Well, just the whole bottle. So that was like a tablespoon. Wasn't really much. We're going to get some chicken powder in here. Some Shelly's house seasoning or your favorite all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have an all-purpose seasoning, some garlic, salt, and pepper will do you. And some onion powder. But this is Shelly's homemade blend. Alright, I'm going to get some water in here. Alright, turn our flames on. Alright, now I want to act right. Alright, so I'm going to put the video on pause because I forgot to grab my onion out. Alright guys, so let's get our onion cut up in here. Now, I suggest that y'all do it on the table. And if you're not comfortable with doing it this way, you can chop your onion up on the table, on the chopping board, and get it in there. So I got a whole small onion here. I can put all that in there. I like onions. If you don't like onions, leave them out. You don't like carrots, leave them out. Will not hurt the flavor of this dish at all, guys. We're going to put some butter in here. Get it in there. And now we're going to put the lid on and just let it do its thing. And when I come back, we're going to taste it for flavor. And if it's all good, we're going to serve this baby up. Alright guys, so now it's time to do a taste test. See what we got here. If it has enough flavor for us. It's seasoned. Need to cook a little longer, but it's really seasoned. It's good. Alright, so that's seasoned. It's good. It needs to cook down a little longer. And when that's done, I'll be back to plate it up, guys, and show you the final results. Alright, guys, so here's the sad part, but also pleasurable part is when I get to eat these greens. Oh my goodness. So let's give them a try, guys, so I can let y'all go. Don't want to hold you. Don't want to hold you. Let's dig in. Oh yeah. These are delicious. Watermelon seasoning. Everything. That onion, that garlic onion spice blend that I got from Ross gave it a little kick. Oh, it's amazing, guys. Y'all got to try this. So I'm gonna end this video so I can jump into these greens because they taste so good. Like, share, subscribe, guys, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.